Hello everyone, welcome to Code in Depth. So today we are going to solve the 1967 problem, which is from the LeetCode Weekly Contest 254, which is number of strings that appear as substrings in Word. Okay, so what we have to do in this question is, it's a very easy question. Okay, so you are given a array of patterns and you have given a word. Now for every string in patterns array, for example here is A, so do A occur in our string? Yes, A occur, so our count will become 1. Now we will check for ABC. Do ABC appear as a substring in our word string? Yes, it appears, so it will be incremented by 1. Now do BC appear? Yes, BC also appears, so our answer will be 3. Okay, so we will just use a string, find function of a string to solve this problem, and at the end we have to return the count. So let's write the code for it. Okay. We will initialize two variables, I for iterating through the loop and count for returning the value of the number of words which appear as substrings. Okay, so we will iterate through our patterns array. And then we will check if our string of the patterns array occurs in the word string. So if word.find patterns I is not equal to NPOS, then we will increment the count, and at the end we will return. Okay, so what does this function do? Basically, if the patterns I is present in the word string, if our patterns I is present in word string, then it will not return the string NPOS, else it will return the string NPOS if it is not present. What I am saying is that if not present, then it will return string NPOS. Okay, so if our word is not present, then it will return the string NPOS. So if it is not returning this, then it means that it is present in our word string. So we will increment the count, and at the end we are returning the count. Okay, so now run the code. Yeah, it's accepted. Submit. Okay, so yeah, you can see that it's submitted. And thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. Bye bye.